I'm Dave, and this is Austin Eats. I cook a lot of steak, and what goes better with a steak than a baked potato? I'm going to show you how to create a stuffed baked potato that's a little bit different because the potato and the stuffing are both smoked in the Kamado Joe. Let's get cooking.
First thing I'm going to do is poke a few holes in this potato to let steam escape. Then I'm going to rub it down pretty thoroughly with some good olive oil. This is going to help crisp the skin up when it's inside the smoker. Once I've got it nice and covered with olive oil all over, then I'm going to add some sea salt and some black pepper. Both sides, by the way. And then this is ready to get some heat on. Time to light a barbecue. So I put the potato in my Kamado Joe over indirect heat, with the lid closed of course, for about an hour. After an hour the potato was crisp and roasted, and I took the potato out, cut it in half, and then scooped out all of the inside. So basically all I left was the potato skin. To the scooped out potato, I added sour cream, Gruyere cheese, and some guanciale. Guanciale is an Italian meat. It's cured pork jowl. Think of it kind of like pancetta. It's from a different part of the pig, but it adds a great smoky flavor. I just stir that in, add of course a little salt, some pepper, and a little butter. And now that goes back into the potato. And now I'm going to sprinkle with a little bit of paprika, some salt, pepper, and a little bit of butter right on top. Now that goes back into the Kamado Joe, lid closed, indirect heat again, for about 15 minutes until that filling is just piping hot and all the cheese is melted. This was really easy to do, and you could really taste that hint of smokiness from cooking it in the Kamado Joe. Give it a try. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, let me know. And please subscribe. We've got new videos coming out every week. See you next time on Austin Eats.